So how to add your Asda Rewards card to Apple Wallet? So it's very simple to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Asda Rewards app and come to this page here where you should see your Asda Rewards barcode right here. Then from here, you just want to go ahead and click on Wallet right below. Then once you've clicked on Wallet, it'll bring you to this page here. And nice and simple, you just want to go ahead and click on Add to Apple Wallet. Then once you've clicked on Add to Apple Wallet, it will bring you to this page here. And to go ahead and add it, you want to click Add right at the top. And then once you've clicked on Add, it will bring you back to the home page. And if you go ahead and open up your wallet, you should now see your Asda Rewards card saved in your Apple Wallet, making it easier for future Asda payments going forward. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.